To tell you the truth, I've been worried about being jobless for 5 years, but I keep trying to achieve my full potential by taking every possible challenge and opportunity. It is my long-term goal to promote the same life-learning attitude, positivity, and can-do spirit. My project is to create an online course about the pathway to successful small business for a less skilled population, not only for Detroiters but also for people in adverse situations around the world. My future fellows and I will outreach experts in the field of education, entrepreneurship, human capital management to design better interactive education and training curriculum and projects with zero subscription fees or affordable cost for certification. As our supporters, you will get various types of rewards according to the amount of contribution. My name is Jinxi Zhang, a master candidate in education from UPenn. I sincerely invite you to join my project and vote me on Challenge Detroit.